is a MSMEs and a patent process. How is there any publication and filing issue is there? The possibility is that MSMEs, to promote their product, they will not do research publication, but they may do publication related to their product before filing patent. That is possible, not research publication. So if you on your site, website, or in any exhibition, that is a possibility for marketing, because MSME, they are working hard, they are creating their product or processes, and they want obviously they want to market that thing. So in that complete flow of thinking of a marketing, they may miss to file a patent and to identify the importance of your IP. So here the suggestion is that when your product is almost ready, or when you are sure about, okay, now we will enter into the marketing phase, before that, before going into the public domain, make sure that at least you will file provisional patent.